tuned Jeeps rival luxury cars. Stradale Modena's Extreme Makeovers Stradale Modena, an Italian tuning firm, is taking Jeep Wranglers and Gladiators to the extreme, offering aggressive body kits and high-performance engine upgrades that push prices well into luxury car territory. While the name might evoke Ferrari, this company operates independently, channeling a Brabus-like aesthetic into America's iconic off-roaders. The visual transformation, the GTX Wrangler and Extrema Gladiator, feature deep, aggressive bumpers with oversized air intakes, wide fender flares, roof-mounted LED bars, and a rear spoiler with a diffuser and quad exhaust tips. The design cues heavily borrow from Brabus signature styling, with a custom grille, circular emblem, and optional carbon fiber or piano black accents. Both models ride on aftermarket alloy wheels wrapped in beefy 35-inch tires, upgradable to 37-inch sets for an even more imposing stance. Reinforced suspension and a custom exhaust system complete the aggressive overhaul. Performance upgrades. From Turbo 4 to Hellcat V8 under the hood, Stradale Modena offers a range of engine options, starting with Jeep's familiar 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder, Wrangler only, and the 3.6-liter V6, available for both. However, the real draw lies in the V8 upgrades. Buyers can choose between the 6.4-liter Hemi 392 or the supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi Hellcat, delivering a staggering 707 horsepower. This performance boost transforms the Jeeps into high-octane machines, though it comes at a cost. Interior luxury. Leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The cabin receives a comprehensive makeover with leather and Alcantara upholstery, accented by contrasting stitching and carbon fiber trim. Buyers can also specify an updated infotainment system, a premium audio setup, and a range of driver assistance features. The interior upgrades elevate the Jeeps beyond their utilitarian origins, rivaling the comfort of luxury SUVs. The price of exclusivity comes at a steep price. The Wrangler base GTX starts at €97,000, $112,700, while the Gladiator-based Extrema begins at €100,000, $116,200. Adding a Hemi 392 engine costs an additional €34,500, $40,100, while the Hellcat Supercharger adds a substantial €78,800, $91,600. Fully loaded, the GTX can reach €292,680, $340,100, and the Extrema retails for €294,480, $342,200. These prices position Stradale Modena's Jeeps in direct competition with high-end luxury vehicles, though still below the cost of a fully customized Brabus G-Class. The firm caters to buyers seeking extreme performance and exclusivity, willing to pay a premium for a uniquely aggressive take on America's most iconic off-roaders. These heavily modified Jeeps demonstrate a growing trend: the fusion of rugged utility with luxury appointments and supercar-level performance. While the practicality of such extreme modifications may be questionable, the demand for them remains strong among affluent buyers seeking a statement vehicle.